Hello guys, so I'm already after work, so I'm gonna grab the phone, I'm gonna grab a little bit coffee. I like coffee, fucking hell I like. Yummy. Let's go to the garage and we've got some things to do. I will show you, you're gonna see it right now. Don't look on my mess around, for you it's mess, for me it's gold. So let's have a look what we got. Right, oh, lots of mess. The thing is today, today's thematic is for Lawnmower. This one I've got for free. Some of the neighbors just throwing out, so was a little bit damaged, some things. But basically it's like, we will see. Let's get out. It's rolling okay, like you see. Reels is working. There's nothing wrong with them. From marketplace, like I'm usually using the marketplace, like I said before. He's very interested for this one machine, but he's asking for some plate on the engine because he wants to know what the model is. I've got a plate. We're gonna send him this one. What else? We're gonna send this one as well. So basically, yes, I've got this one. Damaged was this little pump. Like you see, I changed new. I ordered it through internet, new one, and is missing the fuel tank lid. Basically that's all. And yeah, let's have a look if it works or not. So can I start at all or not? If I can start, we'll be fine. If not, we'll see what is it like and we'll sort it out. Let's get a little bit pump up. Let's try start. So yeah, basically it starts. Not really sure, maybe needs clean out a little bit of carburetor, or maybe air filter needs clean. So, and we can see what is wrong with it. I need to find screwdriver. But lots of things, lots of tools. Any man should have at least in his garage like that kind of box. If you haven't, oh guys, sorry. And let's open, let's have a look. Maybe it's very easy to fix and it's gonna go for our customer. Hard. Any man must know how to fix some simple little things. It's not that hard. So like you see, it's just a couple of screws and it's already open it. That's the air filter. Yeah, it's not very clean. Oh, it's quite dirty. Stinks. So let's have a look again without the air filter. So let's get pumped a little bit more. And one more time. Dust in a fuel pipe, and which one is there? Basically I need to take this off to get that up down here. We got lucky, I found the lid, which one was there, I didn't saw before. Hey, so the customer doesn't need to go and buy a new one, so we got original. Hey, lucky me, lucky you. So take it off this one and I can get to the fuel pipe, which one is there, which one comes from the tank to the carburetor. Screws, like you see, it comes off the protector. So let's have a look. There is a blockage, some kind of blockage or no, so we'll take it off. Oh, fuel is coming through. Looks like all this pipe is clear. So let's put this one back, because I will try start again, otherwise you can get with the stone on your face through this one hole. So that's why we're gonna put back this one just for safety. We'll see what he's gonna say. Right, so I think I need to blow out the carburetor and we'll be fine. Well done. So, and this is what I'm doing after work, like my hobby, and if hobby can get you some extra money, why not? Let's go, guys.